G'day DIYs. It's been a couple of weeks now and I've come back to this job that I did the bathroom and ensuite, and Diane, the owner, has wanted me to, there were a few boxes of tiles left over, rather than chuck them out. She said, "Oh Chris, can you tile the laundry wall for me?" And I said, "Yeah, no worries, I'll be back in a couple of weeks. I'll fit it in then before I start my next bathroom on Monday." Today's Thursday. I'm wanting to have tomorrow off and we're going to take our 2 grandchildren to the pictures. So anyway, I'll just shoot up this wall, show you how an easy wall is done. We just go whooshka. I'm using a different glue than I normally do, but it's still a good one. It's just one that I picked up from another tile shop in the area. It's all the same, just a different colour. I don't have to worry about directional trowel because there's no water like in a shower. I still always like to put glue on my tile, not my wall. I find it less mess. Because the less mess you make, well, the less you got to clean up. It's a no-brainer. DIYs, these clips are the best thing since sliced bread. If you follow what I do, you'll have no trouble at all. Did I bring a rubber hammer in? I need to get it all that way, so I need to get a rubber hammer and push it all that way. I'll be back in a sec.